to my channel. My name is Gerica and this is my first video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a voluminous defined big afro. So I'm only going to be using 2 products, and these aren't the only products that I use in my hair, but this is what I've been doing recently to get my nice big fro. I use different products throughout the year depending on the season. Right now my hair has been very dry. I've been having a lot of breakage, split ends, you know, typical stuff. So I'm trying to keep it as moisturized as possible and also trying to reduce tension as much as possible. So that is why I'm going to be doing a afro video. So the products that I'll be using today are the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, and for the gel I'll be using the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel. So some other things that you will need are a spray bottle. This is a mist bottle. So if you're someone like me who has low porosity hair and your hair, the water just like falls right out of your hair, this mist helps so much. The water will just sit on your hair and it'll let you do what you need to do to get your hair done. And I'll also be using just a regular comb to detangle, and I'll be using a pick to pick out my fro when it's nice and dry. And you're also gonna need a blow dryer. This is the Porcelain Ceramic Babeless Pro something. Definitely got this blow dryer off Amazon, and I got the mist bottle off Amazon. So yes, that is what you will need. And when I'm blow drying my hair, I switch between the cold and the warm setting. So just to not have direct heat on my hair, I just kind of do it from a distance. I blow dry it from a distance. But yes, so stay tuned and you will see how I got this fro. Ooh. Okay, so first you want to make sure that your hair is super wet. I just washed it. I'm gonna spray it down, especially in the front. I don't know about y'all, but my hair has several different textures and it's super dry in the front, so I like to keep that really hydrated. So I'm gonna separate the top half from the bottom half. Put this top part out of the way, and then I'm gonna split the bottom into 2 sections as well. So I'm gonna re-wet this section and make sure it's super damp. And then I'm gonna add the Shea Moisture, make sure you get your ends. And then I'm gonna comb this part out, starting from the bottom. Just make sure it's nice and detangled, because once you add the gel, it's gonna be a lot harder to deal with any tangles. Get your kitchen. Now that this side is completely detangled and moisturized, I'm just gonna go in and just run my fingers through my hair just to make sure that the product is covering every single strand, especially up here. I don't know about y'all, but the front, like my hairline, and then back here is the driest parts of my hair, so I gotta make sure it's moisturized before I do anything else. Okay, so now I'm gonna add more water before I add the gel, because if you want your hair to be super defined, you're gonna need it to be wet before you add the gel. Okay, so I'm gonna add the gel in sections. Okay, so just added a little bit to the palm of my hand, and I'm gonna start by adding it to the top and working my way down, and then I'm gonna rake my fingers through my hair. So once you rake your fingers through, try to make sure you don't have like large clumps. Like try to separate it with your fingers, and then kind of shake it out, and then see if any strands need a little bit extra love. Shake it out, let your curls do their thing. Scrunch if you want to, that helps a little bit. Okay, so that section is done. Let me work my way over to this side, move this to the back. Light check. A. The bottom two sections are done, you're gonna kind of join them together. I'm gonna turn around for this part and just kind of work. Just look at this. Just take a second and look at this. Let me get real close. I don't know why, but for some reason just the very front of my hair. It just does what it wants to, and then the back is a completely different texture. It is what it is. I'm gonna start blow drying. I'm gonna remove the head of the blow dryer and blow dry just like this. I'm gonna put it on the cold setting. Sometimes I do warm, but I don't really like to put heat in my hair, so I'm gonna do it on cold. I might flip it back and forth to warm. I'm gonna put it on high, and yeah. Okay, so now that it is partially dry, it's not fully dry yet because when my hair is fully dry, it's like right around here, so it still has some drying to go. So right now what I'm gonna do is just kind of shape how I want my afro to sit. So I'm going to start bringing this up more. Is just about, I would say, like 90% dry. It's still not fully dry, but this is pretty good. So now what you're gonna do is get a pick. Any pick will work. It doesn't have to necessarily be the one with the metal prongs. The one with the plastic prongs works just as good. So what you're gonna do is start going in to the root and lifting. That's it. Don't comb it through, otherwise that's gonna get rid of your definition. But if you want more volume, you definitely gotta pick and lift. And boom, you're done. Okay, so you're pretty much done. This is the finished look. Day 2 curls are definitely better than day 1 curls, so it's cute right now, but tomorrow it's gonna be even cuter. Just keep playing with it until you get a shape that you like. And yeah, that is how you get a defined voluminous afro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so you'll know when I post. I will definitely be posting again soon, real soon. See you in my next video. Bye.